Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Mark Days. Today we have the ZeroLemon battery case for the 15 Pro Max. Sorry I have not posted in a long time, but I've been busy. As you can see, I'm very late because this phone came out last year. But hey, before the new one drops, let's go ahead and get this baby open and see what we're dealing with here. ZeroLemon always makes a pretty decent case, so let's see what we got. Sorry for the different view, but I'm out of town right now in Las Vegas on business, so this is the table I got, so this is what we get. Let's see what we got here. I've not got a chance to see this thing yet. I've had it since I got my phone, but I did not have a chance to unbox it or use it or anything. But I figured I'd bring it on my trip with me in case I needed it. I'm gonna let this charge overnight. Wow, this thing is a husky, boy. Whoa. That thing is thick with 3 C's, my boy. That is thick. So it doesn't look like they have the top anymore where you could just slide the phone in and bend it. Apparently you open it there. Okay. Open here, it says. I guess you just peel it back. This joint is thick. That is dumb. Did I break it? I hope I did not. Oh, okay. All right, let's get this rubber off. Rubber's off. No diddy on that. All right. Got the rubber part. And then you got your case. I'm using my phone to shoot this, so unfortunately I won't be able to demonstrate my phone in it. But as you can see, you got your button here. Oh, there's a little bit of juice. That's wild. I haven't touched this thing since 2023 when I actually got it. And it's just been sitting in my drawer forever. So the fact that this has juice just is a testament to the quality of ZeroLemon cases, man, it's crazy. So you put your phone in right here. Line it up with the USB-C port. Remember, this is for the 15 Pro Max. Do not try to put your 14 Pro Max in here or you will play yourself, because that is a USB Type-C, baby. You'll be upset. I guess once you slap your phone in there, you just slap this plastic back on like so, and it should lock into place. You don't have to worry about your cameras, because man, that is a deep groove right there. Turn that off. And then once you've done that, slap that baby back into this, and you should be good to go. You know, come to think of it, well, yeah, that should be the way it goes. It doesn't make sense for it to go any other way than that. I actually don't care for this scenario, to tell you the truth, because I feel like with someone like me who's aggressive with electronics and gets aggravated very easily with things, I feel like I'm the type to break this. So not a good look in my opinion this year or last year. I don't like that. Because this is just liable to break. Messing with me, this will break. But I do like the opportunity to just carry it like this without the rubber piece being on it. But I feel like in this part right here, this front part, as you can see, that's type flimsy. That is I'm gonna break that at some point. I guarantee I'm gonna break that. I'm gonna break that, for real. But that's it. That's gonna be broken at some point, bro. That is a guarantee. I'm gonna yank the phone out of here one day, or I'm gonna try to snap the case up to too crazy. I mean, overall it's nice. I believe this is 10,000 milliamp hours, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 10,000. So that's dope. It is 10,000. It's double what I usually carry around. It was a 5,000 case before with my 11 Pro Max. I think 12 Pro Max. And I believe I had one for the 13 Pro Max, but I may have skipped that. And the 14 Pro Max too. I'm not sure. But anyway, the ones I used to have were 5,000. This being 10 obviously explains the need for such a thick body because you have so much more battery in here. I'm not feeling that faceplate because I'm gonna break that. That's a guarantee that's gonna be broken. But you know, I wish I could put my phone in here and show y'all, but I no longer carry two phones, at least temporarily. I do not have two phones. So I'm shooting off my phone and I don't have my, you know, another one to show y'all. But it works exactly the way that I said it should work. Let me go shut this alarm off that just came on randomly, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't know what that was all about, but I just unplugged that stupid clock. That's one thing I don't understand about hotels, why they have alarm clocks from the 1990s in here just going off randomly. The time's never right. It's just ridiculous. Whoever still uses those, they have to be, you know, in a different time. They were born in a different era, put it like that. I don't want to insult anyone because of their age, but they may have been born in a different era where those were not yet obsolete. But back to the case. Nice looking case. Loving the logo on the back. I like that branding, that's nice. I love the buttons. I love everything, the power button here. I wish I could show y'all the buttons, you know, by putting it in here and pressing them and stuff like that, but I've never had a problem with ZeroLemon. I can, you know, I can confidently recommend their products because I've been buying them for years. I'm not paid by them. It's not sponsored by them. Unfortunately, they should be sponsoring this video, given as many as I bought from them. But hey, if you guys ever want to reach out, ZeroLemon, feel free, and I'll be glad to unbox some stuff for you guys. This will be my last unboxing for free without a sponsorship. I won't be doing this anymore for these companies for the most part, because everyone else who does them, somehow they benefited or they have some type of sponsorship and I don't. So I have to cut back on these. Not that I've been doing a lot, but it'll be even less. Got a 12-month warranty here. Extended warranty, register your product. I have not registered mine. I probably will. I'll scan this and register it so that if anything goes wrong, I can get a replacement. There's some type of giveaway. They want you to join their Facebook or whatever. I'm not doing that. But I will scan and make sure that I do my warranty. So if something goes wrong, I need that. I need them to run that back ASAP for me, you know. So your manual, nobody reads this stuff. You know, it's not rocket science. Nobody freaking reads this, but I don't read it. Don't read this crap. Nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna throw that back in the box. I'm actually gonna throw this manual out along with this box. I'm gonna throw that out. I only need to carry this around. I don't need the bag or the box. That's just ridiculous. I've only been saving it for you guys. Or I may repurpose this because I do have some electronics that I could put in there, some wires and stuff like that I'm carrying in my my book bag over here. So again, ZeroLemon battery case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Get this plastic out the way, warranty card out the way. It's a beautiful device, nice looking, looks great. I'm happy with it. I don't want to break this, so I'll be very careful when I put my phone in here. I'm going to be extremely careful because I don't want to break that plastic top piece. It is, like I said, a little bit flimsy looking to me. For someone of my strength and my aggression level, I will get angry and snap that thing in half, on purpose or not on purpose, just being honest. So hey, I missed all you guys. I'm so happy I was able to do this for y'all. I don't care if this only gets 10 views. I appreciate the people who haven't subscribed. I would appreciate if y'all liked, left a comment. Let me know down below if you have bought this already and what you think of it, or if you have some previous generations and what you think of the ZeroLemon case. Feel free to tag them. Maybe they'll shoot me a sponsorship and maybe start sending me some stuff to open, even if it's just these every time a phone comes out. That'd be greatly appreciated. So like, comment, share, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I'll try to leave a video of a previous unboxing of these for y'all that might have an older version. I think I have the 12 Pro Max video out, and I'll try to drop that either in the description or make it like a video card that you could click at the end of this. Again, my name is Mark Days. This video is sponsored, by the way. It is sponsored by my company, Coffee Mobile. So you go on over to coffeemobile.com, KOFFEEMOBILE.com, coffee with a K, coffeemobile.com, and you go ahead and sell us your phones. We buy phones, iPads, MacBooks, Samsung Galaxy, Samsung Note, Samsung Folds. Go on over to the website and check that out if you're interested in selling your used electronics. So Coffee Mobile is the sponsor of this video, and that's what we are banging from now on, is Coffee Mobile. So thank you so much again for your time that you've taken. God bless you. Peace be unto you. Mark Days, I'm out.